Tired of carrying heavy beach chairs, camping gear, or groceries by hand? Check this out. This is a heavy-duty foldable wagon. It's a strong steel frame, the large 180-liter capacity, so you can carry whatever you want, like beach chair, groceries, camping gear, sports equipment. Okay, this is how to place your car. You can place like that. Okay, let's carry this grocery. You can adjust like that. One feature that I like, the wheels. It's designed to move over different surfaces like sand, grass, dirt, and regular pavement. Okay, easy. Okay, move it like that. The front wheels also rotate 300 degrees, so it makes the wagon easy to turn and control. Look at it. Left, right, it's easy. But the great feature is that adjustable hand. The angle up 90 degrees, so it's giving you more comfortable when you are pulling position. Look, and it's also moving right. When you are finished, you can fold the wagon. Just a second. Show you. Take this one. Okay, pull up. Yes, you can unfold easily. Look. Oxford fabric is durable, water resistant, and it's easy to clean. You can move from here to all sides and you can clean. If you need strong foldable wagon with plenty of storage, this is a great choice. Thank you for watching.